From that time, they were in touch with each other. Each other here is used for only two people, two members. Otherwise, when they are more than two, it is used as among one another, one another. Between two, between two, between between more than two, among, with each other, between two people, one another, more than two. Okay, they were in touch with each other to share their ideas on giving hope to the needy, and they became close friends. Finally, they fell in love and their engagement happened in August 2011. Nick put the engagement ring on Kenneth's finger with his mouth because he has no arms and legs, and then said most beautiful words every girl wants to hear coming out from the man's mouth, that is, baby, I love you. Nick and Kenny got married on February 12th, 2012. On February 13th, 2013, they were blessed with the birth of a healthy baby boy with full body. They got married on February 12th. Before date, on will come. Before date, on will come. Before the year, in. Before the year, in. They were blessed with. It is a phrasal verb. It is a phrasal verb. Blessed with the birth of healthy baby boy with full body. Nick and Kenny wrote an inspirational book, Love Without Limbs, together, and it was published in 2014. They wrote the inspirational book, Love Without Limbs. It was published in 2014. When they got married on February 12, 2012. When the baby boy born on February 13, 2013. When the book published, Love Without Limbs, it was published in 2014. If I fail, I try again and again and again. These are the most important words that are inspiring. If you fail, are you going to try again? The human spirit can handle much worse than we realize. It matters how you are going to finish. Here, if we fail at any time, we must try again. If you fail, are you going to try again? They are asking. If you fail, are you going to try again? The human spirit can handle much worse than we realize. It matters how you are going to finish. Are you going to finish strong? Said Nick. I tell people to keep on getting up when they fall and to always love themselves, he said. If we love ourselves only, we will try again and again. Then only we will get success. If I can encourage just one person, then my job in this life is done. This is Nick's view. If I can encourage just one person, if he inspires one person, that will be enough in his life. That is his view. This is from Daily Mail, Co, UK and other sources on 1st July 2019. This is your first B lesson in 10th class. If you don't understand anyway, ask in the question in comment box. If you like, the video, subscribe it. Okay, bye for now.